Morning, sir.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, sir.
Did you able to solve that problem which we started yesterday? I posted the solution in the group if you saw the group. Nobody checked?
Yes, sir. I did.
You are able to solve?
Yeah, but there is some slight mistake in one area in the solution.
In the solution, just a moment. I'll just check. Calculation mistake or some?
Because they apply one formula wrongly. I think. Value
Which formula?
this. Can I put paste how I did?
You want me to paste the solution? Okay, I'm just pasting. Other people tried to solve or no?
Right, sir, was not completed.
Okay. Okay, now tell me which part you are facing problem.
This, gross torque, in
Yes, what is the
and,
gross torque or gross rotor output torque?
yeah,
Yes.
this, number 3 gross torque, and
Yeah.
here they put 199 19912.75, but it's another value 19116.25.
Okay, it's calculation mistake only, right? Rest all is okay.
Substitution mistake.
Yeah, they put this instead of 2, they put sorry, instead of 6, they put 2. That is the only mistake, right?
Yeah, that is another value. This 19112 is another value.
Okay,
That is,
191. Okay, 1916. What do you mean by another value?
I mean 19116 is this mechanical power output, and rotor input is 19912.76.
Okay. Instead of output, they put input value, right?
Yeah, only substitution, but answer is correct.
Answer is correct. Okay. Then it's okay, right? No problem.
At the front. Okay.
Did you got the concept or no? That is the main thing.
I found some other formulas and like a straight formula, and from that I was doing. I will paste that formula in chat if need.
Okay, I'll allow you to share on the screen so that others can also see.
I will put in the group directly, no chat. I mean,
Elijah, you put in Telegram groups.
yeah, Telegram group ID.
Or try to put in the Telegram group. I will open from there.
Yes, sir. I already put.
Okay. You can use this formula if you are comfortable. There is no harm. What was the question? 18.65, right?
Here in the beginning, that block diagram, it explained correctly the stator loss, rotor loss, and friction winding. I mean,
In the
only that block diagram, so it's easy to understand.
your block diagram means what you're talking.
2 pages I post. First page.
Okay, understood. In the Telegram group, you are saying.
Yeah, in the Telegram.
Yeah. So you must have solved this problem using these formulas. I'll just post the another way to solve this problem.
Okay.
I didn't post it directly. I thought you guys will get confused. That is the reason I didn't post it direct formula, I think, which you are talking right now. Correct? You solved like this?
Yes, I solved like this only. I mean, as per this formula, with this formula only.
Yeah. I didn't post it directly. I thought you guys will get confused, and because we didn't cover the theory part, right? So that is the reason I've been with the lengthy way.
Okay.
Correct?
Yeah.
So you can solve in this manner also. There is no harm. There can be various way of solving any problem, right? But our main aim is to solve the numerical. Okay. Everyone can solve this numerical now.
So could you just explain once little bit theory and
So see, in the question they are saying we are having three-phase motor developing power of 8.6 kilowatt, 4 pole, and 2.5 is the 2.5% is the winding loss or the friction loss inside the motor. So they are saying calculate the copper loss, rotor input, shaft torque, and gross magnetic force. Sorry, torque. So they are saying 2.5% of the output. So how much is the losses? If you are doing 2.5% of the output, can we write like this? Multiply by 10 to the power 3 because this was in kilowatt. We converted it to watt. Clear this much? How we came to this expression? 0.025 because divide by 100, right? It's given in percentage, right?
yes, percentage.
Okay, you might be facing difficulty like this. So can you calculate like this? The one line I just posted right now. Friction and winding loss equal to 2.5%. So 18.65 we can write like 18650 watt, right? Because that was kilowatt. Multiply by 2%, 466, right? We got the losses as 466.25 watt. If you are want to write in more digits. So how much the motor output? We need to calculate the gross motor output. So net was 18650. Mechanical losses were 466.25. So motor output will be this after adding losses into the real power, right? Or true power. So what will be the rotor input? Gross rotor output. What is gross rotor output? We already calculated. Divide by 1 minus slip. Because there is some slip also. So you will get the gross rotor input as 199.75. Rotor copper losses will be equal to slip into rotor input. You will get the value like 796.51, and all of us know the formula.
Okay, sir.
Clear this much?
Okay.
So next, full load speed will be ns minus 1 minus s. So you can calculate the RPM, RPS. First you will get the RPM, divide by, if you are going to divide RPM by 60, you will get RPS. Then for calculating gross torque, you have to divide by 2 pi n, your gross output. Shaft torque, that is your net torque. You have to divide net torque, net output by 2 pi n. Clear,
you
guys?
have to mug up the formula only, right?
Actually, no need to mug up the formula, but then we have to go deep into the theory. We are not studying the theory, then obviously we need to remember few formula. Okay, we'll try to discuss what formula we had used in this particular. This is another way to solve the problem. But I think in this you need to remember more formula than the first way, right? First way formulas are more easier than this one, right? So when we talk about copper loss in term of power, our formula is I square R. Everybody knows that, correct?
Yes.
So here slip is given and power output is given, right? In this question. So when power output and slip is given, the copper loss formula will be this. Copper loss in term of slip. Slip is a parameter used to quantify the difference between the synchronous speed and the rotating speed, correct? Rotating magnetic field and the actual rotor speed. So S is equal to Ns minus N upon Ns, all of us know.
Yes.
For
NS
the
into 1.
come again,
No, nothing. You can go ahead.
same formula we can write it like this. N equal to Ns minus Ns into 1 minus S. We didn't did anything. We bring Ns here and we brought this N here and then Ns here and taken Ns as common. Understood? So same formula we can write like this. So total
Yes.
power output is, sorry, total power you are giving to the motor is output plus input. Sorry, output plus losses.
Yes.
Total power you are giving to the system.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
So power output in terms of motor efficiency. Since power output input are related to efficiency of the motor, so we can write like power output will be equal to the efficiency of the input, right? And power input equal to output divided by efficiency.
Yes.
So can you see here? We are doing almost same thing. Slip into input for calculating the copper loss. Because we are not doing full theory, that is why we have to remember some formulas, okay?
Yes, sir. We'll study all these formulas.
Okay, sir. Please mark up all of them.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay, we will solve next problem then. What I'm thinking, like after the class, maybe in the evening or whenever I will get time, I will post maybe 1 or 2 questions and their solution, okay? Maybe by night or something. You try to solve those questions, then we will discuss in the morning, but we have to be little bit more faster. Okay, this is the next question. Try to solve. A power of 36 volt is dissipated in a resistor connected across the terminal of the battery, having EMF 20 volt and internal resistance of 1 ohm. Can you draw the circuit? Can somebody draw this circuit? This, right? A 36 volt, a power of 36 volt is dissipated by a resistor connected across the battery terminal having EMF 20 volt and internal resistance of battery is 1 mega ohm, 1 ohm. Find the value of resistor. We have to find the value of the resistor. That's why we put the symbol variable resistor, right? Resistance will satisfy this condition. Terminal voltage of the battery for each resistance. Then we have to find the terminal voltage for battery for each resistance and total power expenditure in this case. So what all is given? P is given, voltage is given, and R is given. We have to calculate the value of the resistance. So first, can we calculate the power? How to calculate the power? Sorry, can we calculate the current? How much will be the current in the circuit?
20 divided by 1 plus RL.
P,
I equal to V by R. V equal to 20 R1.
but there are 2 R, okay.
1 plus RL.
Series R1 plus R2. 1 plus RL.
Okay. P equal to I square R. Correct? This much is correct? Or just write RL because in the diagram we wrote RL. Okay. P is 36. We don't know value of I also. And we don't know value of L also, R also. So what we will get value of the current? I will be equal to under root of 36 upon RL. This much is clear. This much is clear.
Clear.
So now apply the KVL law in the figure. E equal to, sorry, E minus IL into 1 sorry, minus E equal to, what is E? 20, right? Plus
Yes. And
IL into 1 plus IL into RL equal to 0. Correct?
yes.
So minus 20 we will take to the other side. What it will become? Plus 20, right?
Yes.
If we'll take other side of the equal to. So we can write like take IL common in the both this one. So IL into 1 plus RL equal to 20. Can we write like this?
Yes.
IL equal to 20 divided by 1 plus RL. Can we write like this?
Yes.
Can you substitute this IL which we calculated before?
IL equal to root of P by RL.
36 by RL. Can you calculate value of RL and I both by using these two equations? So what value of RL you are getting? A square plus B square, we are getting some equation like that. So you will get two value of resistance, right? Okay, I'll just start putting the solution so that you can correlate more and you can solve the mathematical equation then. This much is clear to all of us.
This much clear.
To everyone?
Yes, clear.
Okay. This is also clear. We got two equations. We derived by the other method so that you will get less confused. We derived this equation already, right? IL equal to 20 divided by 1 plus RL. Correct?
Yes.
So now you just have to solve the mathematical equation a square plus b square whole square equal to that one. Can you solve this equation?
Sir, can you show previous slide?
Just a moment. This one?
Yes, sir.
You facing any problem in here?
No, sir, I was solving, so I was just seeing whether it's correct.
Okay. I'll just post how to solve this. Just for your easy understanding, I'm posting the solution that how to solve the equation. So our equation is 36 RL squared 328 RL plus 36 equal to 0. Everyone came to this this much. I think everybody can come up to this much, right?
Yes.
You can solve up to here, right? Then you are just adding and comparing, right?
Yes.
All of us can solve up to here, I guess. Only comparing and equating. Okay. So once you came to the
Sir, only
this, yes, go ahead, please.
sir, this mathematic formula only x is equal to minus b.
Yeah, this is the
but-
quadratic equation formula. Minus b equal to plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a.
This minus b after plus or minus, no? So here I should
You
plus
will
or
get, you will get two value of R here, that's why.
no, I mean, two value of R we need to find or
Yeah, two value of R. So in this
Ah.
equation, value of A is what? 36, B is -328, and C is 36, right?
yeah.
Just substitute the value in the formula.
I was substituting, but I get into confusion. Plus or minus, I have to add or I have to minus.
No,
Sir,
you
So
will get
there is one option is there. Sir, do you have any idea regarding that?
which idea?
Like such kind of formula we can solve very easily in calculator. We have to just put the ABC value only. Then we will the value.
No,
When I
I
was
really
studying
don't have
BTech,
any idea. You are
I
talking
will,
about
so
how to put in the
with the
scientific
setup,
calculator.
I will put in Telegram group that video, YouTube video.
yeah, I got it. If you press setup, then there is
Okay.
one equation is there. That-
Bu-
Then if you press
Okay.
5, there is x square plus bx plus c.
Yes. There used to be some formula. I don't have scientific calculator with me right now. I remember what you're talking now.
Then if you put the value of a,
You
then
just need to
value
put value of A, B, C in the formula in the calculator, right?
yes sir.
But obviously you can find out using the calculator. But still your surveyor want to see all this, that how you are going up to there.
Yes.
Okay, otherwise you are just writing the answer. You are just writing the answer by that way, right?
Yes sir.
So he will be in dilemma whether you know it or whether you just mug up.
No, we have to write this. We have to
Yeah.
write this.
I think now you can solve this equation. It's very easy. I already posted everything.
I got two value 9 and 0.11.
9 and 1 divided by 9, right?
Yeah, 0.11. Yes.
0.11.
So these are the two values are answered.
Sorry, come again.
So the final answer is like between these two value or these two value like
Yeah, there will be two cases now. We will calculate power dissipated in both the cases.
okay. Not finished. Okay.
Yeah, not finished yet. So how to calculate power? V square by R.
I square R.
I square R or V square by R, right?
V square by R.
V square by R is easy, right? How much is V? 20. What is the value of R? First you will take 9 and in the other case you will take 0.11. Before that, there is one more part where they are saying you have to calculate voltage of the battery for each resistance. We have to also calculate the voltage of the battery for value of each resistance which we got. Can you calculate voltage like this? P equal to V square by RL. We already know the value of P. What is the value of P? 36, correct? One value of R is 9. And for the other case, value of R is 0.111. So you will get voltage of the value. Correct, guys? Then we have to calculate the power. Power in the circuit. Can we calculate power like this? V square by R. Instead of I square R, can we write V square by R? We can write, right? What is I? V square upon R square, right? Sorry, what is I? V divided by R, right? So if we are doing square, we can get this formula, right? Clear, guys? How to calculate power? Clear to all of you?
Sir, in between that, my internet connection went so disconnected. Last step, could you repeat?
We have to calculate the voltage when your resistance is 0.9 and 1 divided by 9, that is 0.111. So can we write power equal to V square by R? Can we write power equal to V square by R?
Yes.
Then V will be equal to under root of P into RL. We know the value of P given in
V is already
the
given. 20 is
question.
already given. Then why?
What is 20?
V is already given. V is 20.
That is the
Then
voltage
why
of
we
the
are-
battery. Now we are calculating voltage drop across the resistor. Only across the resistor. That is the voltage in the total circuit.
Sir, you were initially telling power. We have to find out the power.
Suppose this is our circuit.
RL equal to 9.
Suppose this is our circuit. And this is 20 volt is given. This is resistor number 1, 2, and 3. Can you tell me what is the voltage drop across number 1? Is it going to be same for number 1, number 2, number 3, or different value of the voltage drop?
Different value.
Different values. Okay. Now we will go back to the circuit. So they are asking, we have to tell the voltage drop across the RL. Only across the RL. Okay. Clear
Okay.
now?
Yes.
So now we are calculating only voltage drop across the RL. Okay. Then to calculate the power, we have to calculate at both the resistor 9 ohm and 0.11 ohm. So power equal to again V square by R. Now we are taking the total power of the system. That's why we are adding the internal resistance of the battery also. Can you see small r? That is the internal resistance of the battery that is given in the question. Guys, clear to all of you? Any doubt?
Sir, oh sir, we'll try to solve it one more time, then it will be okay, I think.
Okay, I will try to put maybe one or two questions in the Telegram group along with the solutions. Try to solve on your own, otherwise we will discuss in the next class. And today evening I will not be able to take class. Okay, guys. See you in the next class. We will keep class maybe on Saturday and Sunday as well. Okay.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Okay, guys.